Hello dear students, here I am back with an important video based on a very important topic of English grammar, that is determiners. Here we have the worksheet that is consisting of 20 questions of different types and on the topic determiners. So let's start solving the worksheet. First question, fill in the blank with suitable determiners. Question number 1 is, there is not dash milk left in the jug. If you have not watched the video related to determiners, so you can watch it first, then only you will be able to understand the reason, what answer is means correct here and why. Okay, so here the correct answer is any. Why? Because this is a negative sentence, and in negative sentences we always use any if it is talking about a small quantity or small number. So there is not any milk left in the jug. Question number 2. He has read dash books on history. So here we have the options much or many. So the correct answer is many. Why? Because books are countable nouns, and with countable nouns we use many, with uncountable nouns we use much. So here the correct answer is many. He has read many books on history. Question number 3, we should help dash needy person we come across. Pay attention to the meaning of the sentence. Here it is talking about, it means each and every person that we come across, means we are to deal individually. Okay, so when individuality is considered, so the means correct option is each. We are to fill each. Okay, so we should help each needy person we come across. Means here the main focus is on individuality, not on the entire group. Question number 4 is, there are dash apples in the basket, you can take one. Now once again read the sentence very carefully. Here it is referring to a positive sense. Okay, it means that there are some apples in the basket, that's why the person can take at least one. So here it is positive sense, not the negative one. So the correct answer is a few. There are a few apples in the basket. Question number 5 is, she does not have dash money to buy a new dress. So enough or many? First, if we see money, this is uncountable. So obviously many is wrong here. So what is the correct answer? That is enough. She does not have enough money. Okay, she does not have enough money to buy a new dress. I hope these 5 questions are very much clear to you all. Now moving on to the next type. This is MCQ type question. Okay, we are to choose the correct option. Question number 6 is, choose the correct option. She has a dash interest in sports. She herself is not a good player. Do pay attention once again to the meaning that the sentence is to wants to convey. Okay, what the sentence is telling us, that the girl or the lady, she is not a good player, that's why it means she is not interested at all in sports. That means this sentence is referring to a negative sense. Okay, negative sense. So what we are to use, we are to use few or little according to the noun. If it is countable, then few, and if it is uncountable, then little. So here the noun is interest, and interest is uncountable. So the correct answer is little. Okay, uncountable noun plus negative sense. Okay, plus negative sense. So the correct answer is little, not a little, not few, not many. She has a little interest in sports. She herself is not a good player. Next question. Choose the correct option. Dash of the boys in the class were absent today. Dash of the boys in the class were absent today. So each of the boys, no, because here it is talking about a large group. So every of the boys, this is not that much appropriate. Some of the boys in the class were absent today, or any of the boys. So here the most appropriate answer is some. Some of the boys in the class were absent today. Next one is, choose the correct option. There is hardly dash food left in the kitchen. Hardly means not at all. Okay, hardly, the word, it means almost no. Okay, very means very rare thing. So there is hardly any food left in the kitchen. So once again, negative sense. So any, there is hardly left any food. Okay, hardly any food left in the kitchen. Next question is question number 9. Choose the correct option. Dash students in the group pass the exam. I always guide my students. I always tell them, do any one of these. Okay, one option, you are to choose the correct answer, or you are to find the correct option. Other option is to find any three wrong options. Okay, means you can do any one of these, either find one correct option or find three incorrect options. So here it is, the sentences dash students in the group pass the exam. See, can we use much here? No, it is wrong because the students are countable, so much is wrong. Little, little once again is used with uncountable noun, so it is wrong. Then any is also used in negative sentences, so this can also not be used here. So one option is left, that is all. So the correct answer is all students in the group pass the exam. Here what I mean to say, do try to find one correct option. Suppose if you are getting confused, you are not able to find that one correct option, do concentrate on the other options also. Maybe you can find the reason, or you can be very much sure that these three options are wrong. Then doesn't matter whether the fourth option is wrong or right, just go with it, because you know that other three options are incorrect. So obviously the fourth one is correct. Okay, now question number 10 is, dash knowledge is a dangerous thing. This is a proverb. Okay, this is a proverb. So here it is little. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing, means almost having no knowledge. Okay, not at all. Knowledge, not at all. That means that is a dangerous thing when we guide someone without any knowledge. So this means that little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Next question, type error correction. What is the question? Identify the error in the use of determiners and write the correction. Here we are to concentrate only on determiners. Okay. So for example, here the little is determiner. Then in the next sentence, some. In the next, every. Then he has spent many. I don't have some. So now we are to find the errors. Errors we have already find out. Then we are to supply the correction also. First question is, there, sorry, 11th question, there are little chairs in the room. So chairs is countable noun. So here little is wrong. What we are to use? Few. So there are few chairs in the room. In this kind of questions, you are to write both. You can underline the error or write down the correction. You can encircle the error or write down the correction. You can even rewrite the sentence in the correct form. Otherwise, apart from this, you can write down the like this: error, little, and correction, few. Okay, in this way, it means that if you mention both of these, error and correction also, then only you will get full marks. Otherwise, you will lose your marks. Okay. Next one is, she did not buy some fruits from the market. So she did not buy, did not. This is negative sense, negative sentence. So we are to use any instead of some. So she did not buy any fruits from the market. Next one is every of the players performed well. Every. So here it is referring to the individually means every player. So here every is not correct. The correct answer is each. Each of the players performed well. Next one is, he has spent many money on the project. Money is uncountable, so many is wrong. What we are to use? Much. He has spent much money on the project. Next one is, I don't have some friends in this city. So I don't, once again negative sentence, I don't have any friends in this city. Okay, last one is, complete the sentence using suitable determiners. Once again, this is of Phillips, or we are to complete the sentence using determiners. First 16th number question. Actually, in this category, this is first question. Dash of the two sisters is intelligent. Now do concentrate on both the options. First option is both and the next one is neither. Now subject verb agreement will also help us here. Okay, if you know about subject verb agreement, then you will remember that if we use both, then the subject is plural. Okay, and plural verb is to be used, but here the verb is singular, is. And if we use neither or either or each or every, then it is a singular. So here both is not correct answer. Okay, both of the two sisters, if are is there, then both is correct, but here it is, that means the subject is to be counted as a singular. So what is the correct answer? This is neither. Okay, neither of the two sisters is intelligent, not both. This is very important point to learn, okay, in English grammar. If both we are to use, then the verb should be plural, because the subject would be plural, but here the verb is singular, so that's why neither is the correct answer. Next one is dash students were awarded prizes for discipline. So any students? No, because the negative sentence is not here. So here the answer is several. Several students were awarded prizes for discipline. Next one is dash help is better than no help. So any, once again, used in negative sentences. So here it is not a negative sentence. So some is the correct answer. Question number 19 is he spent dash time in completing the project. Time. Time is uncountable. So many is wrong and much is the correct answer. He spent much time in completing the project. Last one is I have visited dash European countries. I know European culture a little. Do focus on this sentence. I know European culture a little. That means the person who is talking here, he knows about European culture. That means he had visited some of the European countries. That means positive sense. Okay, and if it is positive sense, then we are to use a few. Okay, so the correct answer is a few. I have visited a few European countries. Okay, that's why he know European culture a little. Now let me tell you one thing. My next video will be based on this topic, subject verb agreement, and we will practice 20 questions of subject verb agreement. Okay, then only, means grammar is integrated, not a single topic will help you to solve grammar questions. Each and every topic will be helpful. Okay, you have to learn, you have to master all the topics. So if you like this video, do tell me in the comment box, should I prepare such kind of videos more for you to practice grammar, or should I skip it here? Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video and you really understand something new about determiners, and now there will be no doubt in the determiners. Okay, so thank you and all the best for your exams. Bye bye.